Hello and welcome to this series of videos made for Finance Canada for a class about PowerPoint, right? Now normally I don't teach PowerPoint to people. I consider it to be a program which is pretty click and pray, meaning that you just have to click on something and something's going to happen and you'll be able to figure it out. I find it very simple. I know this because I teach in college, and I often have students coming from overseas that sometimes have never touched computers before. Now, those are really difficult, but some people have touched a little bit of the IT world, maybe have navigated the internet. And trying to teach them Excel is a bit of a challenge, and trying to teach them Word is also quite a bit of a challenge. But for some strange reason, teaching PowerPoint works so easily. But where does that come from? How can PowerPoint be so easy? What makes it easy? Because it's a user-friendly tool. It has great user experience. So we're going to try to detail some of the fancy features that PowerPoint does in this video series, which covers all of these things. So we're going to start with some basic things like a simple presentation and shapes and animations and pictures. Then I'm going to give you some presentation tips. Now naturally I'm not an expert presenter, but I'd like to believe that I'm a good presenter, so I'll tell you what I think about having a good presentation. I'm also going to talk about this slide master feature of PowerPoint that a lot of people don't know about, which is really the templating feature, and hopefully you'll like that. We're going to talk about how to record a presentation, and I'm going to add a little special to this class, which is how I became who I became as a PowerPoint expert, thanks to hyperlinking techniques that I hope that you'll learn to love and appreciate. So let's get to it. Each one of these will be one video. I encourage you to check right on this side, I think, if I'm not wrong. You'll be able to access the links of videos for all of these topics one by one. So stay here, right, and watch all these. You can actually skip to the ones you are interested in or watch the whole thing.